Hello again. So I want to do a problem in sigma notation from an infinite geometric series and just see how it goes. It's not terribly difficult, as long as you've been practicing beforehand until you get to this stage. Okay, so it's infinite because it doesn't have an upper bound. You know, the terms keep going and going and going and going and going and going and going. But I'm telling you that you can actually do this. And this is kind of like a play on what we did before, but I put a 2 in front of it this time because, spice it up just a little bit. So basically what you need to know is you need to know your a sub 1 and your r. Well, your a sub 1 is just plugging in your first term, and we start at I equals 1. So if I substitute in 1, I get 1/2 to the first, and by the way, I don't do 2 times a half, exponents before multiplication. So 1/2 to the 1 is a half, and half of 2 is 1. So my a sub 1 is 1, just making sure, okay. And my r, my common ratio, again, it's no coincidence. Your common ratio is the number that's associated with the power. It's not 2, it's not 2 times a half, it's just the base of the exponent. So your common ratio is 1/2, that's all it is. Can you find it? Yeah. S equals 1 over 1 minus a half. That's the same thing as 1 over half, which is the same thing as 1 divided by 1/2. Ooh, wrote that wrong. Which is the same thing as 1 times 2 over 1. 1 times 2 over 1 is 2. So your sum in this case is 2. Now for those of you who, the sum of the series is 2. For those of you who said, that wasn't what we did last time. Yeah, no it wasn't. We didn't have a 2 before. Our upper bound was 1. Now when we multiply by 2, we can maybe approach 2. Well, actually it converges towards 2, but it never really does. But that's you need to know limits, and, well, limits helps too, but you don't really need to be honest. It's not that difficult. It's okay. So that's a very basic introduction into sigma notation with infinite geometric series, pardon me. I hope that was helpful. Other than that, have a great day. Goodbye.